Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share a makeup look which is Valentine Day makeup look. So if this video will helpful for you or those of you who are new to the channel, please guys don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for the notification. And in this makeup tutorial I have created this look especially for Valentine Day, which is coming very soon. So this look is in the combination of maroon and green top and very dramatic and glittery eyes. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So before makeup you have to prepare your skin for makeup. Here I am doing CTM, means cleansing, toning and moisturizing. And today I am going to start with my eye makeup, but before we get to that I want to finish up my brows. For that I am using Music Flower gel liner. It works good for my eyebrows. I am in the shade brown. And next we are moving to the eye makeup. For eye makeup I am using the Age Rewind concealer to give a perfect base for my eyeshadow, which I will apply later. So I will apply the concealer all over my eyelids. After concealing my eyelids, I am going to use a definer brush and same concealer and apply underneath my eyebrows to get my eyebrows lifted. Then I will set this concealer over my eyelids with the compact powder. This is a Fit Me compact powder, so it doesn't crease. And for today's eye makeup, I am using this SFR Colors Hated with Love eyeshadow palette, and I am using this maroon and little bit green glitter eyeshadow. So firstly I am going to take a very light shade to create a crease line. Then I will build up colors. And you have to build up colors very slowly. And here I am applying more darker colors, starting with the outer corner to the inner corner. And now it's the time to add some glitters on your eyelids. I am using this maroon color glitters and this is self-adhesive, and I am applying center of my eyes. And for inner corner I am using light green color glitter. And for inner corner I am using this brush because my finger can't reach that point, so I am using this light green color glitter with the help of a brush. After completing that I am going to apply eyeliner, and here I am using Color Bar eyeliner. And here I am applying long thin winged liner. Now I am taking the dark maroon shade and I smoked out my lower lash line. Then I am using this Faces Canada Kajal and I apply it to my lower waterline, and then I am going to smoke out with the earbud just to thicken my lower lash line. Then here I am using eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. Then I will apply fake lashes. And for fake lashes I am using this bundle of lashes. I bought it from Amazon. I am using one pair of them with glue. If you want to buy these lashes, link in description, please check it out. So here eye makeup is done. Now I am moving to the face makeup. For primer I am using Stay Quirky primer. This is not only going to fill in all those pores and fine lines, it is smoothen out your skin, so when you apply foundation it's going to glide on your skin smoothly and make your makeup long lasting. Next for foundation I am using Fit Me foundation, and it's medium coverage foundation, and I am in the shade 330. You can see the shades matches beautifully on my skin. This is my favorite foundation. The reason I love this foundation because you can go for medium to full coverage. It's buildable and you can customize to however you want. And you can see I blend this foundation with my fingers, but the other side I will use brush to blend it. This foundation is medium coverage foundation. If you want to cover some blemishes and if you want your skin look flawless, you can go for fuller coverage foundation, or you can apply some more layer of this foundation. This foundation is very affordable and it glides smoothly on your skin and blends like a dream. You can see this side is done, and for other side I am using foundation brush. I will blend my foundation with this brush and it blends perfectly with this brush. You can blend this foundation with brush, with beauty sponge or with your finger. When you choose your foundation, make sure foundation shade matches your skin perfectly or one shade lighter, otherwise your foundation looks cakey, patchy or maybe darker when you apply foundation on your skin. And don't forget to apply your foundation on your neck area because it looks different from your face. Next, I am going to highlight the high points of my face. I am using this Age Rewind concealer under my eyes and all the high points of my face and blend it perfectly. The highlighting concealer is one shade or two shades lighter than your skin tone or your foundation. Here I am using two shades lighter than my skin tone or my foundation because when you blend it perfectly, it doesn't look lighter on your skin because it's a highlighting concealer. So here concealer is done and it doesn't look much lighter on my face. And now I am going to lock all the foundation and concealer with the help of this compact powder. This is a Fit Me Compact in the shade 330. And here I am adding some dimension to my face. I am using bronzer from my eyeshadow palette. Bronzer is darker than your skin tone or your foundation. If you have a problem of chubby cheeks or double chin, bronzer creates an illusion and your face looks slimmer and sculpted. With bronzer, you can give a slimmer look to your nose as well. And now I am going to apply blush on apple of my cheeks. Blush is done. Now I am going to set my makeup. This is a makeup setting spray, Wet n Wild makeup setting spray, and it's make your makeup long lasting. You have to gently spray over your face and let it be dry. Now I am going to apply lipstick. This is a brand of matte look lipstick and this is in the shade maroon. You can see this is totally matte lipstick. But it does not make your lips dry. It's a creamy texture and I am going to apply on my lips. Now I am going to use highlighter with this very beautiful eyeshadow palette and this works as highlighter. You can see I will apply this highlighter all the high points of my face. Also, I will apply this highlighter underneath my eyebrows to get lifted. And lastly, here I am using this dry sponge with setting spray and dabbing all over my face with this dry sponge to set the makeup once again. So this is the final look for this Valentine. Hope you guys like it. If you like, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, comment below and share with your friends. See you in next video. Bye and take care.